Let's go back to one of the very first cold calls that I made. I literally worked in a boiler room type environment. It literally was a telecom. Fucking hell.
It wasn't one of those ones with the circles.
No. It was a touchpad, right?
Okay.
We had a touchpad, picked up the thing. We literally had to manually punch the number. We had literally 80 desks, little desks with phones, cords on the floor. It was probably the most non-compliant, work-safe place in Melbourne. In an office environment, big whiteboard, numbers. Next door was a strip joints head office. During the day, we would literally see people go for interviews at the strip joint. So imagine, majority of the people on the phone were males, Dave. What did they do every time a person was going in? They would creep, look